I'm going to walk through a screencast tutorial to show you how to set up a custom HTML email signature. I'm assuming that this is a signature that we created for you. If you've created one or have one from somewhere else, you can use the same basic method. So the first thing you want to do is go to the URL or open the HTML file that we've sent you. Chances are we'll have posted it already out on a web server and give you a URL that you can direct your website to or your web browser to. Here's an example or a signature I'll use in this example. This is, of course, my e-signature. It's posted out here on this URL, so I've just opened it up in my web browser. So in Outlook 2011, what you want to do is go up to Outlook, Preferences, Signatures, and you probably won't have any in the list already. You may, but for the sake of this, you'll want to hit the plus button to add a new signature. It may default something in there, your username from the Mac. Just go ahead and delete that. Now, all you have to do to insert this formatted, you'll notice in Outlook 2011 it gives you no options for formatting. So what we're going to do is we're going to just basically cut or copy this, and it's going to copy all the code behind it as well. It's pretty straightforward. One of the keys here, when we do this, we want to put our mouse cursor way up here, press the left mouse button, keep it held down, and then drag this all the way down, and then drag it all the way down to here, quite a ways below it. This will just ensure that you're getting all the behind the scenes code when you copy it. So after you do that, it's highlighted. Go ahead and right click, hit copy, take your cursor, put it in the new signature window, and paste. You can do, I'm doing Command V on my Mac keyboard, and there you go. You've got a nicely formatted HTML e-signature in your Outlook 2011, and these items all these hyperlinks work. This graphic is actually linked to the web, so it'll show up good it's the best practice for showing up in recipients' emails. Now, one thing you probably want to do, because I've put in some extra spaces here above and below to make sure you copy it over right, you probably just want to delete a couple of these extra lines, so you'll probably get an extra space like that. That looks about right. You can come back in and adjust it later, and then maybe delete a couple of these blank lines below it, and that's it. Once you have it in there, just go ahead and you can set it as your default through here. It should be self-explanatory. Go ahead and close it, and then when you set up a new message, you can set it to automatically add in there, or you can select it from a list here, and there you go. So setting up an HTML email signature in Outlook 2011. The same basic process holds true for Outlook 2010 on Windows and Apple Mail. And that's if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, and good